warm welcome to News in Flash column of 5th July 2021. It is presented to you by Lawsikpo. I am Ankita Padida. Now let's proceed with this session. Pushkar Singh Dhami, new Uttarakhand Chief Minister. Pushkar Singh Dhami has sworn in as the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand after being elected as the leader of BJP Legislature Party. Mr. Dhami, who has replaced Tirath Singh Rawat following the growing dissent in the party and is belonging to the Kumaon region of the state, whereas the two chief ministers before him came from Garhwal. As we know, there was a constitutional issue because of which Tirath Singh Rawat had to resign, and after this, Pushkar Singh Dhami has sworn in as the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. The two times MLA from Khatima constituency has never been a minister in the state government, but at the age of 45, he is now the youngest chief minister of Uttarakhand. Moving to the next news item, Covaxin shows efficiency rate of 93% against severe COVID-19 disease, however 65% efficacy against Delta variant. India's indigenous vaccine Covaxin has been showing efficacy rate of 93% against severe COVID-19 disease. However, it has shown 65 efficacy against Delta variant in phase 3 clinical trial. The trial was conducted across 25 sites across the country on 25,800 volunteers of the age group of 18 to 98 years. Covaxin has been developed by Bharat Biotech in partnership with Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology. Moving to the next news item, crocodiles relocated from Gujarat lake. As many as 194 crocodiles have been relocated from lake close to the Statue of Unity in Narmada district, Gujarat, within the final 2 years for the security of vacationers who came to take pleasure in boat rides there. Please note that the lake close to the Statue of Unity is Panchamuli Lake, and it is also known as Dike 3 or Sardar Sarovar Dam, and has been developed for tourists visiting the Statue of Unity. Therefore, the authorities have decided to remove the crocodiles from the reservoirs to avoid any harm to the tourists. Also, in the Narmada River, it is important to note that there are a huge number of crocodiles in that region. Now, the crocodiles were shifted to two rescue centers at Gandhinagar and Godhra. Moving to the next news item, DMRC implements custom-made software to monitor work at Phase 4 Patna Metro. A major initiative towards digitalizing its functioning of DMRC has implemented a custom-made project monitoring software known as the IPMS for monitoring the progress of Phase 4 corridor of Patna Metro. This implementation of this software will enable easy around-the-clock monitoring of project as the IPMS portal can be accessed from anywhere on mobile laptops and computer, and this will monitor the work progress in the lines of civil, electrical, mechanical and signaling and telecommunication contact, phase package-wise and chief project manager and the project manager level and the corridor wise at the directors and managing director level can monitor this from this portal, that is IPMS portal. Moving to the next news item, Chinese astronauts complete first spacewalk outside New Tiangong space station. What is a spacewalk? Spacewalk, any time a astronaut get out of the vehicle while in space, it is called a spacewalk. A spacewalk is also called a electrovehicular activity. This is generally done outside the spacecraft they are going, and it is usually done to do new experiments or to repair. This prevents the astronauts from coming back to Earth again and again for minimum repairs of the spacecraft, and they can do it there. However, spacecraft often is very exhaustive in nature. So two astronauts completed the first spacewalk outside China's new orbital station to set up cameras and other equipment using robotic arm. As Earth rolled past below them, Liu Boming and Tang Hongbo climbed out the airlock of the Tianhe Heavenly Harmony module of the Tiangong space station and spent 7 hours performing their task. It was only the second spacewalk that Chinese astronauts have ever undertaken. The first was the Shenzhou 7 mission in 2008. Moving to the next news item, Odisha builds 10,000 rainwater harvesting structures in 75 days. The Odisha government on Friday said that it has built over 10,000 rainwater harvesting structures across the state in just 75 days to augment water conservation and groundwater recharge. The Housing and Urban Development Department has launched a campaign on April 15th with the theme Catch the Rain, where it falls and when it falls in the 114 urban local bodies. The initiative has been taken under the flagship Mukta scheme, which provides wage employment opportunities for the poor and needy people staying in the urban areas of the state. So this was all for today. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.